Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you three ways, four ways to open Task Manager in Windows 10 PC or laptops. So guys, if you want to four ways to open Task Manager in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start. Now scroll down. After click on Windows System. Now click on Task Manager. That is. Other way, right click. After right click in taskbar area. After click on Task Manager. That is. And other way, type Control press Shift key plus ES. That is. Control key press Shift key plus ESC key. And fourth way, click on Task Manager. After click on Task Manager. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to follow way to open Task Manager in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest updates.